Everyone, come to the living room.
Hey,
Come on, monkey. Welcome, Catty. And here's Raccoon. I see you've seen the surprise eggs. Wow! What's wrong, Granny? Oops! It looks like Dr. Spooky has snuck into the party. It's a fortune wheel! What are Dr. Spooky's plans? The wheel is spinning! It's going to land on the dinosaur! Almost! It's on blue! Wow! Look at the costume that Granny got! Let's go, monkey! It's your turn! The wheel is spinning! Red! What a pretty little bird! The wheel is spinning! Oh, it landed on green! Amazing! Kit's turn! The wheel is spinning! Yellow! There was a scooter inside the egg! That's great! Let's go, Raccoon! The wheel is spinning! Orange! Aw, how sweet! Uh-oh, but Raccoon doesn't like his prize. But good guy Monkey swaps him for his. That's what Dr. Spooky wanted, to steal an egg. No, Dr. Spooky. You have to spin the wheel. The wheel is spinning. No! It landed on the dinosaur. It's a cuddly dinosaur. Aww. What a beautiful sunny day. The birds are singing, the sun is shining, and... Raccoon is looking for something in the bushes. Oh, it's a ball. No, it wasn't that he was looking for. Aha, it was an Easter egg. Oh, now I get it. It's an Easter egg hunt. And everyone is taking part. How fun! When they find the last egg, Granny will give them a gift. Let's go! What's that strange mosquito? Dr. Spooky, you again? What? A dinosaur? A dinosaur that breathes fire! You're so evil, Dr. Spooky. The fire-breathing dinosaur, a baby dinosaur, and... A dinosaur egg! Oh no! Dr. Spooky is in the laboratory! What is he doing? The dinosaur egg! Yeah. Dr. Spooky's going to switch the purple Easter egg with the dinosaur egg. Oh no! Uh-oh! Monkey! Everyone look at Granny. The egg opens, the dinosaur goes toward the house, and the dinosaur shakes the house. There's the dinosaur. Uh-oh, it's going towards Monkey. Be careful. What? Aw, the baby dinosaur just wants to play. Pass him the ball, Monkey. What a good hit! How cute! It's time to find out what Granny's gift was, but wait a minute, it's not here. It's an Easter bunny. Dr. Spooky has it. Because deep down, even he has a soft side. What a great day to surf. Groovy, Ryder, and Monkey are really enjoying themselves. Was that a can? A jug? A bottle? Uh-oh. Is everyone okay? Groovy? Ryder? What about Monkey? There he is. What happened? Why is the ocean full of plastic? A trash island has formed. And it's huge. How is that possible? It seems like Monkey has an idea. Maybe we can take the trash out of the ocean on the surfboard, all the way to the shore. Oops, that didn't work like we'd hoped. The board is sinking. And it sank right next to a strange pipe. Trash just keeps coming out of it. Where does this pipe go? What a strange ship. Dr. Spooky, how did we not notice before? You're the one putting trash in the ocean. Kids, we have to... Wait a minute. What's that floating in the water? It's a fish trapped in a six-pack ring. But Groovy freed it. To the water, Ryder. Our new friend wants to show you something. You're not going to believe where the pipe leads. Exactly. It's Dr. Spooky's ship. What's your idea? Groovy turned himself into a giant vacuum. And he sucked up the whole trash island. But there's still something left to do. Dr. Spooky deserves to be punished. Monkey picks up a giant rock. And Groovy spits all the trash back into Dr. Spooky's ship. Ha ha ha! Dr. Spooky got a taste of his own medicine. Fantastic, kids. Dr. Spooky is going to have a hard time cleaning his ship. See you on the next adventure. The sun is really shining. What? The ball turned into a snowball. Haha, sorry, kid, but you have to admit that it's funny. What is happening? An earthquake? It's a giant robot, controlled by Dr. Spooky. It's changing the weather. Everything is frozen. Let's go, kids, to the laboratory. Let's find out what is happening. There's the robot. Look, it has a lever on its back. And if you pull it down, the robot turns off. Good job, Kit.
Hey.
It's transformation time. Monkey. Caddy. Superzoo team, the power is yours. Monkey is ready. Aha! He's going to make a giant snowball. It's a perfect ball. Get ready, Dr. Spooky. Let's go, monkey. Throw it. Right in the head. Ha ha! Take that, Dr. Spooky. Bravo! Let's go, Caddy. It's your turn. You have to turn off the robot. But be careful, it's dangerous. Oh no! The robot is cleaning its visor. Careful, Caddy. No! Darn you, Dr. Spooky. There's Caddy. She's deactivated the robot. Haha, Dr. Spooky, we beat you again. Superzoo team, the power is yours. Ha! Now what, Dr. Spooky? We'll meet again.